Hey Sunny Isle review fans, in this review we're digging into I'm an Excavator by CoComelon. Join JJ and his friends on a construction site adventure where they learn all about the mighty excavator, how it digs deep holes, and the important job it does.
The catchy song and vibrant 3D animation will have your little builders singing and playing along in no time.
Watch the video in the link below and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun-filled nursery rhyme and kids song reviews.